Hey guys, welcome again in my new and very most important video where I can show you how can you remove your pin pattern and password lock of your Samsung mobile. And in this video I can also show you how can you remove your password lock without any software, without any computer and without any type of data loss. So hey guys, welcome again in my new and very new video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is dedicated to unlock your Samsung smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your Samsung phone is locked due to your forgotten password. So don't worry at all, watch this video properly till the end and your smartphone will be unlocked today. Further in this video, I can also show you how can you remove your password lock without any data loss in just only 5 minutes. So watch this video properly till the end. Okay, before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so one of the most important things that I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this help of this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos, and for this you must subscribe our YouTube channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next amazing video to help you further. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Firstly, watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your loaded smartphone. Now I'm going to show you how can you remove your Samsung smartphone in just only 3 minutes. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you have to take action on this phone, like press the volume button and with volume up and volume down button. Okay, power button, volume up and volume down button, and keep holding these buttons and wait for few seconds until your and release the power button here plus volume up button here, but volume down button to be pressed until your next page comes in your mobile screen. As you can see here, this is very important step. So wait for a new page in your smartphone. This is a time taken process, but this is a very necessary to unlock your smartphone. Keep holding the volume down button. As you saw here, this is the safe mode. Okay, swipe to unlock, and after that you have to click on emergency call option here. After that you have to use a offline activation code here, and this code is *00312 ##. You can take a screenshot for this code, which is *57624 #00312 ##. You have to call this code for once. When you start the calling, the number has been disappeared from your mobile screen. So wait for only 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and your mobile password is has been going to reset mode. So you have to use another step here, which is click on back button, swipe to unlock, and click on emergency call option here. After that, you have to enter a default password code here, and this is star hash 08523 hash star, and press on call button. After that, you can see that this number has been also disappeared from your mobile screen. So use again a new code here, star hash except 08523 and hash star. You have to remember this code 8523, okay, and you have to call this code for once again. After that, number has been disappeared from your mobile screen, so you have to click on the back button here. After that, swipe to unlock and enter any random password here. And you can see that this is a wrong pattern here, and use 8523 code here. 8523, okay. So you have to enter this code 8523 in a parallel line, and you can see that. Wait for a few seconds, and you can see that, my friends, your Samsung mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any type of photos, video and data loss. But this is a safe mode. You have to recover your normal mode, so you have to click on the power button here and click on restart button here and wait for your normal mode. So wait until your mobile restart. Please like this video. This gives us a lots of encouragement to make the next amazing videos for you, and this is very necessary. And as you can see here, Samsung Galaxy is lying there. Wait until your mobile is completely on. This process taken some time, so wait for until your mobile start. And this is very necessary action. Your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any type of photos, videos and data loss, as you see here. So if your mobile is not unlocked from this method, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team definitely will reply to your comment in just only 2 to 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.